kwakwenze njani ukuze ibulawe ingane thatha iminyaka emingaka kushonwa le kushintshwa ngisho amajaji kushintshwa zonke izinto ilandwa amajaji ahlele emakhaya kuthiwa zokhuluma indaba kaSenzo kanti la amanye amajaji eSouth Africa wasebenzini wona afundelani wona amajaji la eSouth Africa kuze ilanda abantu aseberethayile kuthiwa bezokhuluma indaba likaSenzo. Sicela ubulungiswa nje cha ngendaba kaSenzo sazi kwenzakalani bayaboshwa ababoshwa asenandaba thina siyalala ubuthongo inkinga inaba abalali esikwazi kahle abalali ebusuku.
So that is the Meyiwa's family there speaking and touching on an important and critical issue, you know, with regards to why, you know, did whoever there at the High Court, you know, pick a retired judge to look over the Senzo Meyiwa case, because there are so many judges out there that are graduating, so many that are experienced, but they had to settle for someone who was retired. So looking at first, you know, the reasons why they would pick a retired judge, it is because of the experience that he has. You know, they feel like this guy is very much experienced and they have what it takes, you know, to preside over this case. But despite all of that, you know, that's what they say, you know, with regards to experience, etc. My question, you know, is if he had all that experience, you know, to be able to preside over such a high profile case as the Meyiwa trial, then he shouldn't have retired at all to begin with, because he still has what it takes to preside over these cases. So looking at the arguments, you know, they say this guy, for example, this retired judge, he has no, what's the word, no career to protect. They are not like trying to protect any interests that they might have, you know, unlike others that might be vulnerable. So they say this guy, we can believe in him that he can deliver. For example, you look at Bheki Cele, you know, he is retired. Look at how much he is singing there at the ad hoc committee. But someone like Fanima Semula, he is still employed. So he wasn't able to sing as much as he could, you know, because he still wants to be appointed back into the position. So that's why sometimes they pick these retired judges, because they do not serve anyone's interest. They no longer report to anyone. Basically, let's say they have nothing to lose. So that's the reason why they had to settle for a retired judge in Judge Rata. So that's the main reason that I see here. It's because, you know, these guys have nothing to fear and protect, you know. I'll catch you guys on the next one.